How to create flowchart in Microsoft Word. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Word and then click on Insert at the top. In Insert, click on SmartArt. After you click on SmartArt, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Hierarchy and then you will find Flowchart option. I'll simply select the first option and then press on OK. After that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply type in the text you want on your flowchart. I'll simply type in drinks and food. And for the option, I just want to add yes and no. Simply add your text. After you have added your text, you can also add like animals and the animal's name, however you want in your chart. After you're done with this, simply click on the shape. Click on the shape you want to change and click on Format at the top. And then click on Change Shape. Select any shape you want. I'll simply select this one. You can also change other shapes. I'll simply keep this hexagon. As you can see, it has been changed. You can also add arrows by clicking on all arrows. Select all the arrows and then go to Format again. And then press on Shape Outline. Arrows at the bottom and select the arrow you prefer. After you've selected the arrow, you'll also find arrow pop up on your lines. And this is how to create flowchart in Microsoft Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.